You searched how to buy shares of Alcon Inc. Alcon is a global eye care company known for surgical and vision care products, listed on CBOE EU under ticker ALC.ZU. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will have to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALC.ZU to locate Alcon Inc. Select the listing that clearly shows CBOE EU to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent performance. Double-check it lists Alcon Inc. with ticker ALC.ZU before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money first. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio overview. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.